What happens to your body when you eat watermelon every day? Watermelon is a beloved summer treat that many of us enjoy on hot days. Not only is it refreshing, but it also offers a range of health benefits. Incorporating watermelon into your daily diet can positively impact your health in several ways, from hydration to immune support. But what exactly happens to your body when you eat watermelon every day? In this video, we'll explore the various ways this juicy fruit can benefit your overall well-being. Before we dive in, please note that all the information in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Now, let's explore the 9 benefits of eating watermelon daily. 1. Boosts hydration. Watermelon is incredibly hydrating, with around 92% water content. It's one of the most hydrating fruits available, making it an excellent choice for quenching your thirst on a hot day or after a workout. The high water content and natural sugars in watermelon help replenish lost fluids and electrolytes, keeping you hydrated. Additionally, watermelon is rich in vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as potassium and magnesium. Enjoy it sliced, blended into smoothies, or even frozen into popsicles to stay hydrated and refreshed. 2. Enhances heart health. Watermelon is great for heart health thanks to its high lycopene content, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and improve blood vessel function. Research shows that watermelon juice can enhance artery function in people with high blood pressure, and citrulline in watermelon may help lower cholesterol levels. Additionally, potassium in watermelon supports healthy blood pressure and heart function. 3. Improves digestion. Rich in fiber and water, watermelon supports healthy digestion. A cup of watermelon provides about 1.5 grams of fiber, aiding in smooth bowel movements and preventing constipation. Its high water content helps break down food and move it through the digestive system. Watermelon also contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down proteins, improving overall digestive health and reducing bloating and gas. 4. Promotes skin health. Watermelon contributes to healthy, glowing skin by keeping it hydrated with its high water content. It contains vitamin A, which promotes sebum production for moisture, and vitamin C, an antioxidant that combats damage from free radicals. Lycopene in watermelon helps protect the skin from UV damage, reducing the risk of premature aging and skin discoloration. Citrulline in watermelon boosts blood flow, promoting healthy skin and collagen production. 5. Eases muscle soreness. Watermelon can help alleviate muscle soreness, particularly after workouts. It contains L-citrulline, an amino acid that reduces muscle soreness and enhances athletic performance by increasing blood flow and nitric oxide production. The fruit is also rich in electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which help replenish lost nutrients and reduce muscle cramping. 6. May lower blood pressure. Watermelon's citrulline converts to arginine in the body, which helps produce nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and can lower blood pressure. Studies have shown that watermelon extract can significantly reduce blood pressure in individuals with hypertension. However, it's important to combine watermelon with other lifestyle changes like regular exercise and reduced sodium intake for managing blood pressure effectively. 7. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation can lead to various diseases, but watermelon can help reduce it thanks to its lycopene content. Lycopene, an antioxidant, fights inflammation, and citrulline, which converts to arginine, helps improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. Consuming watermelon regularly can help manage and lower inflammation markers in the body. 8. Boosts eye health. Lycopene in watermelon protects the eyes from harmful UV rays and environmental damage, reducing the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Additionally, watermelon contains vitamin C and beta-carotene, essential for maintaining healthy vision and protecting the eyes from oxidative stress. 9. Strengthens immunity. Watermelon is rich in vitamin C, which supports immune function by protecting cells from damage and stimulating the production of white blood cells. Vitamin A in watermelon also plays a crucial role in immune health, and the potassium helps regulate blood pressure, supporting overall health. Citrulline in watermelon further boosts immune function by increasing nitric oxide production, enhancing the body's response to infections. Whether you enjoy watermelon sliced, diced, or blended into a smoothie, This delicious fruit provides numerous health benefits all year long. Next time you're looking for a sweet and satisfying snack, reach for some juicy watermelon and enjoy its many advantages. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Thanks for watching, until next time.